Hey there. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can make money with Rewardy.io, a popular reward site that allows you to earn cash and gift cards by completing simple tasks online like watching short ads and playing several games. Whether you're looking to make some extra cash on the side or save up for a special purchase, Rewardy.io is a great way to reach your financial goals. So let's dive into how you can start earning money with this platform. Step 1. Sign up. The first step to making money with Rewardy.io is to sign up for an account. Simply visit the website and create a profile with your email address and a password. Once you've completed the registration process, you'll have access to a variety of tasks and offers that you can complete to earn rewards. Step 2. Complete tasks. Rewardy.io offers a wide range of tasks that you can complete to earn money. These tasks may include taking surveys, watching videos, playing games, or signing up for free trials. Each task will have a designated reward amount, so you can choose which ones you want to complete based on your interests and availability. Step 3. Refer friends. One of the best ways to earn money with Rewardy.io is by referring your friends to the platform. When you refer a friend and they sign up using your unique referral link, you'll earn a bonus reward. The more friends you refer, the more money you can earn, so be sure to share your referral link with as many people as possible. Step 4. Redeem rewards. Once you've earned enough money on Rewardy.io, you can redeem your rewards for cash or gift cards. The platform offers a variety of redemption options, including PayPal Cash, Amazon gift cards, and more. Simply choose the reward option that works best for you and cash out your earnings. Step 5. Stay active. To maximize your earnings on Rewardy.io, it's important to stay active on the platform. Check the website regularly for new tasks and offers, and be sure to complete as many as you can to earn more money. The more active you are, the more rewards you'll earn, so make sure to dedicate some time each day to completing tasks. Step 6. Stay safe. While Rewardy.io is a legitimate platform for earning money, it's important to stay safe while using the site. Be cautious of any offers that seem too good to be true, and never provide your personal information to any third-party websites. Additionally, be sure to read the terms and conditions of each task before completing it to ensure that you're following the rules. In conclusion, Rewardy.io is a great way to make money online by completing simple tasks and offers. By signing up, completing tasks like watching ads, referring friends, and staying active on the platform, you can earn cash and gift cards to help you reach your financial goals. So what are you waiting for? Sign up for Rewardy.io today and start earning money. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tips on how to make money online. And if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy earning with Rewardy.io.